Hey guys, just wanted to take a minute to talk about some optional accessories for your FlexJet, and in particular, an accessory drill. Now, drills are a great addition to add on when you're working with difficult to pierce materials. You know, laminates like G10 or carbon fibers have a tendency to blister or delaminate when you try to pierce them at full pressure. Adding a drill is a foolproof way to 100% guarantee that you can always pierce successfully. So what typically happens is you'll do a pre-pierce drill cycle to go through and drill all your pierce holes, and then the Waterjet will then fire through that hole and then cut the profile for your part. Now, why is the FlexJet perfect for this type of setup? It is a full CNC machine, so you have full CNC Z-axis control for things like height control and pecking cycles. They're fully programmable and integrated into our IGEMS controller. So IGEMS will handle drill cycles and secondary operations automatically, and you can just program that so your operator doesn't have to worry about it. This is ideal if you're a job shop or doing custom fabrications, or you expect that you're going to have some of those difficult to work with materials coming through your door. If you need secondary accessories like a drill or anything else, give us a call. We love a challenge and we love to customize.